I'm shooting today at 4K 30 frames per second. I'm underneath a wonderful light. Light, baby boy. You're not going to cause these little things coming at me anymore. I think this is going this way right here. We're going to get on going. Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. Oh man, press the shutter button to start the video and stop it. The camera goes on and off. I don't know if I love that feature. I like it to be on and my videos don't get clipped. I'm gonna head back later by scooter and go play in the park. You wanna play in the park with me? Should I play with the Pocket 3 or the Action 5 Pro? You gotta tell me now, because later on it'll be too late. Today we could walk normal. Like go across the sidewalk correctly. I just had a thought to share, and I totally cannot remember what that thought was. It'll come back to me later. Not important. I said it'll come back to me. It just, wasn't that important. And it's about when you first start your camera, right? How long does it take to start up? The very first boot. And it happens every time after the camera fully goes to sleep and shuts down. It takes a long time. And I showed that to people, that the Action 5 Pro is not the fastest startup today. Basically, it's the slowest startup. The GoPro is a lot faster, and the Instax Pro I don't own, probably a lot faster too. And I did a test in showing you the 2 or 3 cameras. Yeah, Action 3, 4, and 5. I can show you the Action 1. It's even a lot faster. You ever see that cartoon with Bugs Bunny, the tortoise and the hare? And no matter how fast the hare went, the tortoise always was the fastest. Once again, here's another one. I love feeling the buzz. I hardly can hear the beeps at times, because this don't have a beeper. It has a buzzer, but it acts like a beeper. You know, those pagers. And DJI just won't put a buzz only to the start, stop, shutter, record remote. If I had the time to sit here and set up, put a chair down, get everything just right, you see the sunrise, but you see the coloring in the clouds over here. I would have to get down to the water and set it up and have a nice time relaxing. And you can see just about the colors hitting the clouds. I don't know if you're going to see it, so I'm going to stop, show you the cloud up ahead that is first getting its color. Right over there. Watch that plane come in. Here it comes, right overhead. These planes are just flying all over the place today. As you can see, the cloud's color, man. That's a nice shot. Hopefully the lights are not causing any trumpeter flares. Man, I haven't had that peaceful moment in a long time. Yeah, so here we go, continuing on. So we're gonna make one more round, finish up the round, and then head on in and get a talk. I told you, I made my spot popular. I'm gonna have to go find another place to talk. Well, I did say a lot, said a lot, shared a lot, showed a lot, said some. Saying it now, because I'm gonna say it again. I may not say it at the end. All right. So the talk is going to be on. A cup of Joe's going to be waiting. I'm not sure what we're going to talk about today. So I got waiting for me coming in soon. And I got also waiting on another couple of things. We're going to see 5 excellent things on the channel that you may want to check out. And it could be repetitive, but the different types of models, and you may like what you see. So I'm not sure how I'm going to go about it. I'm not going to do them all in one shot, but I will probably put them all up at one shot when everything is done. And you could decide, wow, man, that is awesome. So I with Wondershare, and I'm like, no, maybe auto is the wrong feature that I'm using. Now I'm supposed to use the advanced that speeds it up, that does it a lot better, that gives you more maneuverability, that you could do frame by frame, or hit the play and go forward, or hit the play and go backwards, and it does it much faster. So why didn't they just get rid of the auto and say auto takes a lot longer? And I left things on at default. Default's supposed to be the best in the world, man. Not according to them. Well, I haven't done this in a long time. Picked my camera up, and I'm shooting with, you got it, subject tracking. Subject tracking will always follow you, so no matter what you do, and you want to adjust your camera right, it'll follow you and keep you in place, always center. Oh, that was a big step, man. And I'm moving around like this. Do you like it? I'm going to stop and back up and do the same thing. And then I'm going to switch over to regular video mode. Hopefully I'll hold it the right way. So regular video mode, right? If I start to walk and I move my camera around, I stay in the frame. Now, as long as I look at the camera and keep myself in frame, I'll do pretty good. I kind of like come over here to the side. I'm in the center somehow. And I want to keep to the center, I have to rotate my camera, and then I wind up in the opposite way. So you always got to look at the camera to do your job right. Man, I could take all my equipment here. I got this stage pole that goes up in the air. I could make it go real high, put a light on it, run an extension cord, light up the area, and put my tripod down on my camera, do my review. I'll just wait for daylight to come. And then I can set everything up the way I want. That time of day again. It's our day. Put the trash out. If I sat here watching the traffic all day, you'll find cars that just won't stop like that and roll right through. I'm not going to sit and wait around all day. Like a minute went by and no cars came by. So yeah, I guess you know who I am. I said what I had to say in the middle of my vid. I said all I did, all I shared, all I said, all I said. And on that note, I'll see you on another.